First, make sure the car is turned on, then make sure you are at the home screen by pressing that button right there. I'm already at the home screen, so what I'll do is I'll press add new. Here it pretty much tells you to turn Bluetooth on your device and look for the name My Kicks. Here I have my phone with me, we'll make sure it's turned on. Once your Bluetooth is turned on, you will see at the bottom My Kicks right there. We'll just click on that. After that, you will see a code popping out on your phone and also on the car screen right there. Just make sure both of those codes are similar to each other. From the phone screen, we will select pair. Phone is asking to allow contacts and favorite things. I'll press allow. After that, the phone is connected successfully to the car. Now it's asking if you want to connect the CarPlay. It's up to you if you want to use Bluetooth only or if you want to connect the CarPlay as well. In my case, I will just select use Bluetooth only. That is how you connect a Bluetooth device to this car. Now suppose you want to delete a Bluetooth device. We'll need to select these three dots on the right side of the connected device and then just press delete right there. It confirms whether you want to delete your phone. We'll press yes. Just like that is your connected device deleted. We'll come back to our home screen, and if you want to add a new Bluetooth device, you know what needs to be done. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.